Welcome back to Get Rebel Life TV. Today, we are going to explore a topic: Ifa's wisdom, practical applications in daily life. Ifa is more than just a spiritual practice. It is a powerful tool for navigating our everyday lives. Let's start by introducing Ifa for those who are new to this channel. Ifa is a divination system deeply rooted in Yoruba culture, serving as a profound way to understand the world around us. It originated in West Africa, particularly among the Yoruba people of Nigeria, and has significant cultural and spiritual importance. Ifa is often used for guidance, helping individuals gain clarity and insight, enabling them to make informed decisions in various aspects of their lives. It's not just a mystical practice. It is a practical approach to understanding our path and purpose. Now, let's delve deeper into the concept of Orisha and how they relate to Ifa. Orishas are powerful spiritual beings that represent various forces of nature and aspects of life. They guide us, offering wisdom and support as we navigate our journeys. When we receive a particular Odù Ifá or Ifa readings, we interpret these messages to gain insight into our lives. Each Odù carries themes and teachings that can apply to our daily experiences. Key messages often emphasize balance, respect, and the interconnectedness of all things. Ideas that resonate deeply in our everyday lives. Let's talk about how Ifa can help us navigate personal relationships. Relationships can be complex, and Ifa provides valuable insight for understanding and improving them. For instance, when facing conflicts with loved ones, consulting Ifa can reveal underlying issues and offer guidance on how to approach the situation. One personal experience I had involved a misunderstanding with a friend. After consulting Ifa, I realized my own assumptions were causing the tension. This insight encouraged me to initiate an open conversation, leading to a deeper understanding and healing in our relationship. However, Ifa teaches us to communicate with compassion and to seek understanding rather than to react impulsively. By applying these principles, we can foster healthier, more meaningful connections with those around us. Now, let's explore how Ifa can influence our careers and financial decisions. Ifa emphasizes the concept of destiny, which plays a significant role in our professional lives. Understanding our destiny can help us align our career choices with our true purpose. For example, when making career decisions, an Ifa consultation can provide clarity on paths that resonate with our inner calling. This alignment can lead to greater fulfillment and success. One practical tip is to regularly reflect on your career goals and consult Ifa when you feel uncertain about your direction. Additionally, when it comes to finances, Ifa offers wisdom on making informed investments and managing resources wisely. By understanding the messages from Ifa, you can make decisions that align with your financial goals while remaining true to your values. As we wrap up, I encourage you to explore Ifa consultation with a qualified practitioner, or you can send a message to us via our WhatsApp that is displayed on the screen. They can provide personal insight that resonate with your unique journey. Remember, the key to harnessing Ifa's wisdom lies in personal reflection and understanding. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on spiritual growth and personal development. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay blessed and connected. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the super thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community.